Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to generate an Amazon affiliate link on mobile. Alright, let's begin. To get started, open your mobile browser and head to the Amazon website. Make sure you're signed in to your Amazon Associates account. Once signed in, tap the three dots at the bottom right corner of the browser. This will open a menu. Scroll down and select Request Desktop Site. This will load the desktop version of Amazon directly on your phone. Now that you're on the desktop version, zoom in and look at the top of the screen. You'll see the Amazon Associates Site Stripe banner. This is where you can generate affiliate links. Next, search for any product you want to promote. Click on the product and the product page will open. At the top of the page, you'll now see an option that says Get Link. Tap that, then choose Text. A new window will open showing your unique affiliate link for that product. Copy the link, and now you can paste it anywhere to start sharing and earning commissions. So that's basically how you can generate an Amazon affiliate link on mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.